Today I'll be showing you how I built this SUV platform bed for my Overlanding Hummer H3. Let's get to it. I'll begin by removing this lower section of seat. Then I'll lift out this side. With the seat removed, now I can go ahead and create the platform that's going to be the support for the bed. Alrighty, I measured out a whole bunch of measurements here. I'm going to have a board that rests right here and sprawl up here. I've got all those measurements transcribed on this piece of plywood, and now I'm going to go ahead and cut it up, see if it fits. Let's see if it fits in here. Oh. Dang, that fits nice. Really nice. I've got one platform support here. Driver's side, I'll be using my 5-gallon Veer air tank. Wow, take a look at that. That looks good. Very snug. Allows for the seats to move all the way back. I'm using the straight edge to make sure these hinges are nice and perfectly in line. And in the open position, utilizes all the space with the seats pushed totally forward. Perfect. What do you think? Try it out. Does it feel sturdy? Well, there we are. Boop. Boop. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our Patreon page if you want to play a bigger role in developing more H3 content. See you next time.